Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I try to provide invaluable information on nutrition and health that will transform your life. In today's video, we will be discussing a common issue that many of us face bloating. We will explore the reasons why you might be experiencing bloating and provide you with practical tips to help alleviate it. So let's get started. Bloating can be uncomfortable and frustrating, but the good news is that there are several reasons why it might be happening, and most of them can be addressed through simple lifestyle changes. Here are some of the common causes of bloating. Poor digestion. One of the main reasons for bloating is poor digestion. Eating too quickly, not chewing your food properly, or overeating can all contribute to this issue. When your food isn't properly broken down, it can lead to excess gas production and bloating. Food intolerances. Certain foods can cause bloating in individuals who have intolerances or sensitivities to them. Common culprits include lactose, gluten, and certain FODMAPs, fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. If you suspect a specific food is causing your bloating, keeping a food diary can help you identify the potential triggers. Gas production. Bloating can occur when excessive gas builds up in your digestive system. This can happen if you consume carbonated beverages, chew gum frequently, or eat foods that are known to produce gas, such as beans, lentils, cabbage, and onions. Swallowing air. Sometimes bloating is simply caused by swallowing air. This can happen when you eat too quickly, drink through a straw, or talk while eating. The swallowed air gets trapped in your digestive system and can lead to bloating or discomfort. Now that we have discussed the common reasons behind bloating, let's move on to some effective strategies to help fix it. Eat mindfully. Take your time while eating and chew your food thoroughly. This aids digestion and reduces the chances of swallowing excess air. Additionally, try to avoid distractions like watching TV or using your phone during meals. Identify food triggers. Keep a food diary to track your meals and symptoms. If you notice a pattern of bloating after consuming certain foods, consider eliminating them temporarily to see if it makes a difference. Watch your portion sizes. Overeating can overwhelm your digestive system, leading to bloating. Pay attention to portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can be helpful for some individuals. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Aim for around 8 glasses of water per day and limit your intake of carbonated beverages as they can contribute to bloating. Manage stress. Stress can have a significant impact on your digestive system. Practice stress reducing techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or engaging in activities you enjoy to help manage stress levels and potentially reduce bloating. Bloating is a common issue that can be addressed through simple lifestyle changes. By improving your digestion, identifying food triggers, and adopting mindful eating habits, you can significantly reduce bloating and improve your overall well being. Remember, if your bloating persists or is accompanied by severe symptoms, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that I will be able to make new and more better videos like this for you guys. Until next time, goodbye.